easy it is to clear up the trash in our mobile phones and upgrade the versions just by a single click? Unfortunately, we are unable to develop such a feature for upgradation of our Earth. However, the United Nations has taken up a synergic initiative with collaborative efforts of its various developing and underdeveloped member states in September 2015 to achieve 17 Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Today, I feel honored to express my views and enthusiasm for how this Agenda 2030 and 17 SDGs can help ameliorate the future of humankind. Now the question is, what are SDGs? And primarily, what is sustainable development? So it refers to the development in present by not harming the needs of the posterity. Today the world is paralyzed due to this COVID-19 pandemic. And in our own country, the grievous images of the migrant workers are circulating all over the media. Millions of them have fallen victim to poverty, homelessness, unemployment and hunger. And millions around the world are expected to be pushed into such conditions in the post-COVID period. The 17 SDGs hope to confront such major global issues by multilateral assistance, and all of it in an eco-friendly way. Out of the 17 SDGs, what I find most exquisite is the number 4, ensuring equitable and inclusive quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunity for all. As Kofi Annan aptly said, that literacy is the heart of sustainable development. So quality education seems to be the basic course towards achieving other 16 SDGs. Because human wit is capable of ending poverty and thus eradicating hunger, we can make our environment clean and thus achieve good health. Humans can invent and innovate and thus create sustainable cities. We can bring peace, equality and justice. Today, various national and international policies strive to increase the literacy level just by providing free elementary education. But we need to amend these policies and change our minds as well, because literacy and education do not stand on the same pedestal. With rise in global literacy, we also see a formidable rise in crime against women, unemployment and degenerating natural resources. Because we are surrounded by a flock of uneducated literates. Another serious issue before us is to make education equitable and inclusive for all. Do we ever have long-standing debates and discussions on how to make schools and universities comfortable and inclusive for disabled people or for the third gender people? Does the general public accept the laws made in this regard? Children of ISIS. It's a documentary that captures lives of some rescued children. They were kidnapped by ISIS, brainwashed, abused and taught to kill. And they were just between the age of 6 to 15 years. What fate awaits these children? Our goal of achieving inclusive and equitable quality education, therefore, has to be far-reaching. My mother knows the importance of education, and in lieu of spreading knowledge, she joined an NGO, Sarthak Prayas, that primarily works as a blood donation network but also aims to provide quality education to government school students living in slums. I used to accompany my mother there. I used to teach those children new words and discuss with them good stories and tell them what I was taught in my school. Each one teach one. If every capable person teaches or sponsors education of a needy, we can bring a change. I would like to end by quoting Barack Obama. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or for some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek.